Hi everyone. Whether you are a CAT 2021 student currently in the last leg of your preparation journey, or you are a CAT 2022 or 23 aspirant looking out for some free mocks in order to test the pattern of the CAT exam, this video or the blog post that I'm going to show will surely help you out. Today I experimented and researched about the list of free mocks that are available out there, and I was able to find out a total of 59 free mocks which are available for someone who's preparing for the CAT exam. Out of these 59 mocks, 39 mocks are based on the new pattern, which is 120 minutes of the exam and different number of questions basis each coaching institute's expectation. And the rest of the 20 mocks are based on the old pattern, wherein there used to be 100 questions in 180 minutes. You can use the 39 new mocks certainly in order to practice basis the new pattern, but even the old pattern can help you give a repository of questions that you can use in order to practice for the CAT exam. Now, this is a list which will be linked in the description box. So, all you have to do is to click on that list and you'll be able to see a host of coaching institutes providing these mocks. I have also shared the same list in front of you so that you can check out how many mocks are being offered by which coaching institute. The only requirement from their end, and that is the same for each and every institute, is to log on to their website and sign up for the first time if you are a new user. Now, to recommend how one can use this, I had already created a video on how you can self prepare for the CAT 2022 exam. I had also created a video on if you are choosing to take coaching, how can you self prepare before that. In fact, the playlist that I had created for CAT 2022, I had suggested you to take a couple of free mocks in advance to check which sections are you particularly weak in so that you can focus more on them going forward. A lot of my batchmates who self prepared totally relied on free mocks during their preparation journey. So, this list is surely going to be of help to those who are going to self prepare and also to those who just want to experiment with the pattern of the exam. And even to CAT 2021 students who might be in this last phase, if you want some extra resources, these questions can surely be of help to you. So, I hope that this list helps. Now, I am planning to create further free resources for each section so that you can get free RCs, free questions for QA, free DILR sets in order to practice so that you have an immense repository of questions to practice from. Do let me know if you have any questions out of this video, if you want to ask about the expiry date or how to sign up for any of the mocks. I have gone through the entire process, so I can surely guide you in case you are facing any trouble anywhere. If you have anything else that you want to ask regarding your preparation journey, feel free to do so. I hope this list truly helps you out. Happy to answer any questions that you might have. All the very best, guys.